All right, so I got a new pool vacuum to show you today. This is from GRENNIX, and this will take a little over 2 hours to charge, and it will run up to about an hour. To open it up, you just got to pull up on these side tabs here, and you'll see that there is a screen. This is what you'll remove to clean it out. It's got these little flaps where it's going to suck everything in, and then this will catch everything for you. And then you got your outputs. Pretty easy maintenance there. And then on the bottom, you're going to see that there are 4 wheels, and this is going to be your charge port. You want to just make sure that it's dry when you charge it. It also does come with a hook, so you can retrieve it. The pull is not included, but it will work on most of the regular pulls that you would use. All right, so you're going to turn it on, and then you're going to just put it on the top of the pull and just let it slowly go ahead and sink. All right, so I see the flaps opened, and now it's starting to move slowly. And this is going to be more for your smaller pools, and it's just going to continuously go until it's almost dead. Once it's almost dead, it's going to come to the edge of the pool, and then you'll be able to retrieve it. And it's just going to go back and forth, moving over and cleaning the bottom of your pool for 60 to 75 minutes. All right, so once it's done, use the provided hook to pull it out. It is going to be full of water. Give it a moment to let it drain. It is beeping several times, letting you know it's time to charge it. We go ahead and turn it off. All right, now my pool wasn't super dirty, but let's see what we got in here. So you remove your filter, and you'll be able to see that it's got a bunch of different gunk everywhere. It's got some stuff in there floating too. So it'll definitely depend on how dirty your pool is. I would recommend just running it every day. That's pretty much it. It works pretty well. Takes a couple hours to charge. Runs for about an hour average. And it will pick up most of the little debris.